Let's get accessible. I'll walk you through manual installation of the UserWay widget in Dreamweaver. As usual, the first thing you need to do is register your site at userway.org at the top right of the page. Complete all the listed steps until you get your unique code snippet. You can find a detailed tutorial on how to get your unique code snippet here. Copy your code snippet to your clipboard or save it to a text file. It's just text. We've also sent you a welcome email with the same code. If you have already registered for a previous site, you can add your new site to your list and it will use the same code. For a walkthrough, go here. If you like, you can sign in to your UserWay dashboard at userway.org. Go to the top right menu, find My Embed Script and copy the script or code that you'll find there. This script is actually your unique code. If you have any issues finding your sign-in, you'll find the sign-in credentials in the welcome email as well. Grab your unique code snippet and let's go. I will see you in Dreamweaver. I'm in Dreamweaver. I'll show you where to paste your code. First, make sure you're in code view. If you don't already see a screen that looks like this, with a dark background and lots of code text, you'll want to change tabs at the top of your screen. The 3 tabs are Code, Split, and Live. Click Code. Now, open all your site's HTML files. If your site is already set up and you have existing pages, your HTML files will be in a list on the right-hand side of the page. This is your files window. You need to paste your unique code inside all of the HTML files in the files window list. Start by opening one of your HTML files. Scroll all the way down through the code until you see the body closing tag. Place your cursor right before the body closing tag and press Enter a few times to make some empty space. Click in the space you have just created and paste your code there. You did it! Now repeat the same steps in all your site's HTML files. When you've added the code to all the HTML pages that appear in your files list, go to the top menu, click on File and then Save. You're all set. Go ahead and preview your live website to make sure the widget is installed correctly. Remember to upload your site to your server to make your changes effective and live. At this point, if you like to customize your widget options, you can choose to sign in either directly through your widget or you can go to manage.userway.org and check your dashboard there. All your widget customization options are available in either place. You may also want to consider the more robust UserWay Pro widget. For more extensive accessibility and compliance options, upgrade via the link in the description below this video.